Hi, I'm Victoria and welcome to How to Cut and Sew a Skirt. Now, if you've done any of my earlier classes, they were strictly pattern cutting classes, and I did mention that you had to be able to sew. I had no intention of ever doing a sewing class, except I've had a few requests from students to say that they don't know how to sew the pieces together. I forget that I was a beginner once myself. We're all beginners at some stage. So this class is for you, the beginner, how to sew a skirt. I'm going to show you how to lay the pattern on the fabric. We'll talk about pattern markings, fabric grains. There's also going to be an equipment list of what you need for this particular class. But also I've done markers, lay markers, fabric lay markers they're called, for sizes from very small sizes right up to the curvy ladies, and for different width fabric, so that you know how much fabric, a meterage or yardage, to get for this particular class. Now, along with discussing how to sew on a waistband or a waist facing, we'll also go through how to insert an invisible zip. Now, it's not that difficult, okay? And it's a lot easier than sewing in a channel zip, believe me. Now, the only other requirement that you need for this class is you have to have your own sewing machine, of course, and you have to know how to operate it. I'm not a sewing machine mechanic and I can't show you how to operate your machine, so that's the one requirement that you do need to know, okay? So if you're a complete beginner, do join me for this class. I go through everything step by step, and you can even message me through the Skillshare platform if you have any queries. I mean, there is nothing more exciting than being able to design and make your own clothes and show off at the same time. See you in class. Bye.